Are RV fireplaces any different than using a space heater? Not really, but they do have some exceptions. Let's talk about it. These typically run just shy of 1500 watts. A lot of these are about like 1440. I've seen 13. I have seen 1500s though. This one claims 5100 BTU, so I'm pretty spot on there. Why is this any different than running it on a receptacle like that one? Well, we talked about why the receptacles are a no-no in an RV. And it's because the outlets for those are on 15 amp breakers. Space heater is too much for a continuous load on those. Now, if you'll look, the fireplace is on its own dedicated 15 amp circuit. Remember in the beginning when I told you they weren't quite 1500 watts? That is because they put them just below the threshold. And when I say just below, look at the math here. At 120 volts, 1440 watts is 12 amps. 12 amps, fun fact, is right at that borderline of being 80%. You're not supposed to use more than 80%. So are they better and technically safer? Potentially, yes. Now, my argument there is just because you can carry 100 pounds doesn't mean that you should be able to carry 100 pounds all day, or that it's not going to cause a lot of strain. So while, yes, it's technically under the radar, again, imagine if you could lift 100 pounds carrying that same 100 pounds all day. That's the stress you're putting on your electrical system. I will say this video is a great example too, because a lot of the fireplaces are on dedicated 20 amp circuits. This one's on a 15. That's why they're a little bit safer and why most of them are actually rated just under 1500 watts.